that like we can just spread the world, the word. We can just spread the word. No, we can just spread the word around the world. Probably that's the correct English. My English sucks. How gorgeous it is! It has. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a haul video, and this is everything that I have accumulated in the past 1.5 to 2 months. So I have lots of skincare, hair care and makeup products that I wanted to share with you guys, and you might just want to pick some of these. If you're new here, then do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you are a returning viewer, then welcome back to my channel. If you like this video, then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and let's get started because this is going to be a really long one because I have loads of products lying on my desk right now. Let's get started. Okay, since I have skincare, hair care and makeup products, I think I'll go with the skincare first and then we'll move on to the makeup. I think we'll go with the hair care. In fact, in the skincare and hair care, I'll move on with the hair care. So for the hair care, the first thing that I bought is Biotique Botanicals Bio Soya Protein Fresh Nourishing Shampoo for dry, damaged and color treated hair, and this is how it looks like. I really like the packaging of Biotique Botanicals because it's so classic and everything. This bottle is of 190 ml and it retails for 159 because which is quite affordable, I guess so. But this is a Bio Soya Protein Shampoo for dry, damaged and color treated hair. My hair is not color treated. This is the natural color of my hair, but my hair is for sure dry and damaged, so I bought this. I have almost finished half of this bottle, but yet I'm not sure about how it is because it doesn't make me feel at all different. My hair is a bit dry, in fact, after using this. Maybe it's just my hair. This is made from 100% natural products. It has badam oil, rye, soya powder, banhali stem and purified water, and yeah, that is pretty much it. And this brand is a cruelty free brand, so if you're looking for cruelty free brands, I think I would highly recommend the Biotique Botanicals products. They are good. I'm not sure about this one. Okay, so the next products are actually not for me, but they are for my son. But I just wanted to mention it because like they're really good. So if you have kids around and you want to buy things for them like shampoo and body wash, I would highly recommend the Mother Care body wash and the Mother Care shampoo. The shampoo is so good for kids. I think we can even use it because his hair becomes very soft and silky after using this shampoo. I really like the way it turned out on him, and the body wash is also really amazing, doesn't dry out his skin. So if you have kids around, highly recommend these two products. Next we'll move on to the skincare products. So the first thing is again a Biotique Botanicals Purifying Neem Face Wash. I even showed this in my monthly favorites, the July favorites video. I really like it. It's really good. It just cleans out your face amazingly. The part is that this face wash doesn't give me pimples because I get pimples using face washes. Next I got is Nivea Skin Refining Face Scrub, and this is how it looks like. This one retails for, okay, I don't know, I think I'll just cut down the retail for the prices. I'll just cut down the prices of everything. I'll mention them in the description box for you guys to check out because let's just leave that. Okay, so this one is 150 ml and it is a scrub for normal skin. And it's a scrub for normal skin, so nothing much fancy about it. I just bought it, like I just saw this and I just picked it up. There is nothing much like I've heard good or bad things about it, just fine. It has microbeads in it, so if you are environment friendly, then you would probably not probably not buy this because microbeads are not good for your environment. Next thing up is a much talked about product, like everybody is raving about it, and it is Patanjali Aloe Vera Gel. Yes, I bought it finally. Everybody is talking about it, like everybody, so I had to buy this. So I got this. I just bought it like 2 days ago, so I still have to try it. I've not used it on my face yet, but yeah, this is how it looks like. It's just 85 rupees for 150 ml. I am currently using Green Leaves aloe vera gel, which is 100 ml for 100 rupees, which is obviously expensive when you compare it to this product. So I'll have to try this out basically. So I finally bought this. Okay guys, I'm actually shooting outside, like in my balcony, so there are cars and bikes and everything going all around, so excuse the background noises if you can hear them. I can't do anything about them. The next product that I have is the Plum Grapeseed and Sea Buckthorn Renaissance face mask, and this is amazing. I got this from Purple. Like Purple sent me this product, but I'm glad they sent me because you guys already know Plum is an amazing brand. They make amazing products. This one is just as good as their other products. It is a clay mask which makes your face really soft and clean and supple and yeah, all those things. I have is the Jovi's skin toner in cucumber. This is a 100 ml bottle, and it is just fine. The only downside about this is that you have to take a lot of this product on your cotton pad to actually work it out, because it has a spray, so either you can just spray it on your face or take it on a cotton pad. But when you're using it on a cotton pad, you actually have to spray a lot of times to get the exact amount of product that you want. So yeah, that's only the downside. Otherwise it is working just fine for me, and it is very affordable, just 145 rupees for 100 ml of the product. So I'm really loving this. The smell is not good, and the spray, you have to spray multiple times to get the exact amount of product on your cotton pad. So that's just the downside about this. Let rest everything is fine. Next I bought is another Patanjali product because I just wanted to try out the products as they are natural, you know. So I tried out Patanjali's face pack in neem and aloe vera, and I've not tried out, I just bought this yet, like with the aloe vera gel. I just bought this and I still have to try this out. So yeah, it's still sitting in my basket for you guys. Like I just wanted to show you guys. Now I can just use this. This is a 60-gram bottle for 60 rupees, and this is how it looks like. My skin is not doing quite great right now, so I just thought maybe this might just help me. Okay, so the next thing that I have is Aroma Treasures Lemongrass Essential Oil. I have not yet used it, but this one is very affordable as compared to other essential oils like other brands. This is just 105 rupees for how much? How much is the product? It doesn't say how much the product is, but it is 105 rupees and smells so amazing, so lemony. So yeah, that's another thing that I got for myself. Then I got some cotton pads, which is like necessity, and I also got these are by the way from Tulip, and you get 100 pads for 156 rupees. So yeah, that's I just wanted to mention it. Next I have our Maybelline's Total Express Total Clean makeup remover. I love this thing, so I always restock on this. Like I keep on stocking on this whenever the price is down, so I got 2 of them as well. So that was all for the skincare products, and now let's move on to the makeup products. So the first thing that I got for myself is the Fit Me range. So I got the blush, the foundation, and the compact. I know everybody is already using it, and I'm quite late in this, but yet I bought this. So this is the 310 kit. So this foundation is in 310 shade. The compact is in 230, and the blush is in 208 medium nude. The shade is 208 medium nude. Sadly, the compact and the foundation doesn't suit my skin tone, but still I'm trying to work it out. It is like quite close but not exact to my skin tone, but this one, it doesn't work. Like it doesn't suit my skin at all. Next I got is this beauty right here. This is Savannah Colors blush palette in shade number 2, and look at this, how gorgeous it is. Like take a moment, just take a moment and just look at this. It has so many beautiful blushes and a highlight and a contour shade as well. I think these colors right here, the pink and the peachish kind of shade, they're so good for my kind of skin tone, and I just feel that way. But can't get over this. This is so amazing. Look at this color. I don't know whether you can make it out or not, but totally into this palette, like totally. Next I have is the beauty blender. So finally I have it, and it is the green one. I have been meaning to buy this from a really long time because I wanted to do a video all on beauty blenders. It also comes with a cleanser, so it's really easy to clean your beauty blender as well. And yeah, so I got a beauty blender for myself. Next up is like my heart and soul. Like literally my heart and soul. Who doesn't love highlighters? And when it is Anastasia Beverly Hills, you definitely love it more. So this is how it looks like. Just look at this. Amazing, isn't it? I really love, like, I just fell in love the moment I saw this. It has this amazing brown yellow toned highlighter, then you have a bronzer. It would work amazingly as bronzer. So this one, the yellow one, is the sunburst, then this is a golden bronze, this is dripping in gold, and this is bubbly. Let me just swatch all of these for you guys. Look at them. I don't know, my camera is picking it up. Like, look at them. Aren't they gorgeous? I just love them. So, yeah. They are really subtle highlights, like they are not bang on highlights, but really subtle. I've tried them on already, but just in love with this one. I really wanted to get this one from a really long time. I know Anastasia has already come up with another highlight kit, which is, I guess, Moonchild or Moonlight, I'm not sure, which is again amazing product, but this one is also as good, and this one was in the shade Glow Kit Anastasia, that Glow Kit. They have 3 variants in this. One is the Glow Kit, and you have, I guess, Sunbeam, and the other one, I don't remember the names. I'll probably mention them in the description box for you guys. And the next product that I have is this concealer and corrector palette, and this is like a China made basically. It says it's MAC, but I'm not sure if it is genuine or not. So yeah, this is how it looks like. So it has lots of concealer and corrector shades, and this one was really affordable. It also comes with 2 of these things, which is like good for nothing. But yeah, this is how it looks. I really like that it has almost all the shades you can highlight with, you can contour with, you can correct with. Really a multi-purpose palette. I've not yet used it, this one as well, but looking forward to use this one as well. Next thing that I have is this baby right here. This is the Ben Nye Luxury Banana Powder, and this is how it looks like. So yeah, just forgive my accent. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Looking for, like, I was really meaning to buy this one as well. I have heard really lots of things about this, so finally I have it in my hands. I told you guys I bought few things which I really wanted from a really long time, again a million times really long time. So I finally have this, finally. Last but not the least, my haul cannot be complete without few lipsticks. So I got few from Organistick. These are organic lipstick, which is made from 100% natural product, beeswax and jojoba oil and all those things. They claim that they have added no chemicals whatsoever in the making of these lipsticks. They have beautiful colors. So I actually really love this wine color, which I've almost broken. And then you have a red color, which I showed in my red lipsticks video. And then you have a beautiful pink color as well, and there was a 4th one which I actually misplaced it, so I wasn't able to find it for this video. Yeah, these are the lipsticks that I got. I think I did not buy any other lipsticks other than these ones, but these are really awesome lipsticks. They're really hydrating, but they do not last on your lips for a long time. They will be on your lips for just 2 hours or 3 hours. You have to reapply. I have the red one right now on my lips. I really like this one because this is kind of a lip balm and a lipstick, so you have color as well as moisturization going on. So that was all that I bought in the couple of months. Do let me know something that you bought which is similar, so it could be like product twinsies, and something that worked for you. I would really love to try them out myself. So yeah, those were all the products that I have bought in the couple of months. And if you guys like this video and my haul, then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and comment down below anything that you like or didn't like about this video or myself. So I totally accept everything. So yeah, that was all for today's video. I shall see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye.